to make a wall of holes. I'll just show you like this. Oh. Whoa. Okay, here it is. So this is the wall of holes, but I'm gonna make it bigger. Yep. And I'm gonna teach you how to make it bigger. But first, you need to learn how to build this small one. This is how to build it. So let's go for an example. Okay, we're going for an example. Okay, give me some time. Guys, let's go do this flat first so that you can see how. So basically you're just gonna get 2 blocks, them facing, and then it looks like 2 lines. So now we're gonna go for the top of the square, then the bottom of the square. And as you can see, I didn't fix the camera, I'm sorry. That's the square over there. So let me do it again so that you will understand. This, that. You can do this on your Jenga. Now that, this turns into a square, right? A hole, which is a square. So now we're gonna do it with the wall. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do the wall. But guys, this is the wall part. We're gonna go with the wall. So first you're just gonna do what I did here, 3 Jengas. Then you're gonna put one here. Yeah, like that. So you have to be careful with this a bit. And then that, which makes a square. And then you put something on top of it. And then now it's the world's most flattest square in the world. Wow. Yeah. It's now the world's most flattest square. So what do? You make it fatter. And that's now square. That's fully square. Okay. Fix the camera. Then I'm gonna make more of these. So give me some time. Fix the camera. Wait. You see the tower? Now you can fully see the holes. Now we're gonna make it bigger. So give me some time to make it bigger, okay? Yeah.
Just enough to keep these bitches tight. Make it famous, off a nigga dick. Bitches sucking dick, make it quick. Off my dick, yeah, I took a phone to bankroll. Other hoes, just a victim that I told. Just been sucking till it's roll. I be boning other hoes. Niggas wanna learn the game, but you talking shit. I just want the trash and made a best man win shit. Loon on my pimp, hoes falling for the pimpin' rap game. Slowly hit the tempo, just enough to keep these bitches tight. Make it famous, off a nigga dick. Bitches sucking dick, make it quick. Off my dick. bankroll of a hoe. Just a victim that I told. Left it stuck until it's swole. I be boning other.
Well, okay guys. So this is now the bigger wall. And as you can see, I did a bit of mistakes on the sped up video. Yep, I did a bit of mistakes, but here's the big wall. I still have a bit of Jenga left, but I'm not gonna use that because this guy's gonna get bigger when I use more Jenga. And when I use more, when it gets bigger, it now doesn't fit on the camera like it's higher like that. So won't like make it more bigger. Yep, but I have more. But I did have some mistakes while doing this. And let's go for one last. Hey, you thought that was the last, very last? Oh no, nothing's gonna be the very last when you see this. Okay, I hope that's all you learned from my video. Because I showed you how to make a smaller wall, so it means that you can make a bigger wall. I'm just gonna show you a weird thing. So you see, this is this too. When you put one block on top, there's a hint because there's some wall here. So you put something there, and then it turns into a square. Then you can probably put another thing there if you want. Yeah, so that's how I literally made it. Hints and clues. Yeah, clues and hints. So yeah, that's how I made it. Well, bye guys. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye. Well, I hope you learned a lot. I hope you learned how to make Jenga with holes. Hole Jenga. That's a weird type of Jenga hole. But still. Bye bye. And I'll see you on another video.